What happens to the world? Scientists called the mass disease of the future. This is what we got from the World Health Organization. Scientists conducted a study that showed that, judging by the latest indicators, almost a quarter of the world's population will begin to suffer from obesity. According to experts, such a problem will arise closer to 2045. In addition, type 2 diabetes will develop in every eighth person. This is presented at the European Congress on Obesity in Vienna. The study was conducted as follows: the population of each country was divided into groups, categories and body mass index. Scientists predicted how the proportion of people in each category will change over time, and also calculated the risk of diabetes mellitus, which was calibrated according to lifestyle, nutrition and genetic susceptibility to the disease. In a more understandable language, experts say the proportion of obese people will increase to 14% by the end of 2019, and in 2045 it will increase to 22%. Also, over the same period, the incidence of diabetes will increase to 11.7%, which will increase the burden on health systems around the world. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.